Hey guys, this is Mr. Techolic back again. So as you already know, I just love unique products. So this is one of them. It's from a company called JMGO, Chinese brand obviously. So this is the box which arrived today. And as you can see, this says JMGO Portable Theater. So I think you might have already guessed it, but this is something pretty good. Well, let's see what's there on the box. So this side, nothing, black. This side have a smart theater JMGO. This side have just the barcode with some namings. JMGO smart theater this side as well. And we are back. So that's all. What this product actually is, just to tell you, this is a projector. Yeah, it is. So let's unbox it and try to find out what's there inside the box. Yep, so this is how the box looks like. And first thing you will see a cylindrical thing, and that's the projector for us. Let's remove the wrapper. So there are support for two 3-watt speakers, one on each side, as you can I think literally see as well with the woofers. And this is the lamp for the projector. This is JMGO Smart Portable Theater. This is the infrared receiver for remote control. And it also have a tripod mount so that you can mount it to tripod easily. It is the normal one so that you can use normal your camera tripods to mount it on. And then we have very few ports. Okay, so one is HDMI port to connect your smartphone or maybe laptop with it. One USB drive just to connect your hard disks and pen drives, and one power input port. This is the LED indicator to show in which mode the projector is, and one reset button, reset hole actually. So if you see the specification, you'll be able to find out the product name, model number, and the frequency and voltage on which it works. So it is made by Shenzhen Holatech company, and it supports 720p native, and it can also support 180p HD and 3D as well. So it will be interesting to see how 3D comes out of this. So that's the projector. Let's see what else do we have in the box. So next thing is the manual, and looks like this manual is in English, which is good. So what all things is inside, it also shows you here owner's manual, certificates, remote controls, magnetic base, main unit, and AC adapter. Okay, then you will see what all things are there. So it also works as a Bluetooth speaker, supports 3D video as well, focus, zoom in, zoom out, how to connect double and various other features. So that's the manual which you can go through to find out what all things and how to set it up. Okay, let's go to next box. Okay, so in this box we have a remote control, and looks like this particular remote control comes with a USB stick. So why that USB stick is there, so that you can connect this USB stick to this port like this, and once it is connected, then you can use this particular remote control as an air mouse. So you will have a pointer on the screen, and then you can use this button to just go through the air mouse thing and point it on the projector and click on particular fields or options you have on the screen. So that's cool. Let's see which kind of battery does it support. So yeah, so this particular remote control supports AAA batteries. 2 will be required to power it up. And let's move further inside the box and see what's there. So we have a converter from all-in-one to UK type, so that we can use its connector. So it's a UK type converter provided, so I'm assuming that the power code is not UK type for sure. We'll see what kind of power brick we have. Then we have, oh, that's interesting. Okay, that's the magnetic base, I think. Yeah, so we have JMGO branding, little foots for rubberized foot to support it being rolled out. And on this side where the projector will lie, again this is rubberized so that it will not move around. So you can put just like that on the magnetic base, this projector, and just move this depending on where you want to project, up top or down or something like that. So that's the magnetic base. Okay, we have another mouse, sorry, not mouse, another remote control, and that's the pretty much simple remote control, I think, but looks fancy. So you have this circular control. It doesn't move, it just have clicks on top, down, and center. We have a 3D button as well. Other than that, the cool thing about this projector is you have focus buttons on the remote. So it's not like a hardware kind of thing on the projector, which usually is the case. You can just zoom in or zoom out or focus in and focus out through these 2 buttons, which electronically focuses the screen, which looks pretty. And which type of battery does it support? Let's see. So again, it's a AAA, 2 cells required, 2 batteries required for this particular remote. And that's all in this particular box. Let's dig further down. Okay, so now the last thing I think, is the power cords. So we have Indian one, the power cord adapter, that's why we have UK converter with it. And then we have the brick, which will be converting the power and putting it to power on. So as you can see, there is the connector. You have to connect this to here and then power the projector with this input. And let's see what all ratings does it have. So if I will focus, so yeah, so we have output of 13.6 volt with 4.2 ampere, which looks good because this particular projector have a battery of 15,600 mAh. So obviously that will require some time to charge in. So this output of 13.6 volt with 4.2 ampere looks pretty good to charge it up on time. I will have a full review to tell you about how much time does it require to charge and how is the output of this projector, but for the time being I can say this particular product is pretty unique. And we have something which can work as a Bluetooth speaker and which is fully portable, and you can use it as a projector as well. We will be looking at detailed descriptions as in what all things we can do and what all types of stuff we can project. It is also supporting 3D as well, so we'll have a look into that as well. One last thing which I forgot is this quality check pass. So it passed the quality check on 5th of February 2018. So that's pretty much all, guys. Thank you all watching. We'll be back soon. Peace.